Do you know how to clean a vintage can? I recently told you how to clean a vintage frenzy, but do you know how to clean a vintage can? That's at least what I would like to tell you in this video. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. So, let's start. For a basic cleaning, I can recommend you rubbing alk and Q-tips. Rubbing alk is not harming the doll. It's the least harming chemical you can use for cleaning dolls. Please don't use any acetone remover or anything harder for it, because you will dissolve the doll in the long term. So you can... The dirt of the decades here with this method. You can see some of the dirt is coming off. I don't know when he was cleaned the last time in his life. By the way, he is a #1 Ken. It's looking a little bit like the softener contained in the dolls. So I hope you can see the difference between the right and the left leg. There is a little bit of a difference. You can also use it here for the arms. Rubbing alk won't harm the doll. It won't cause any fungicides. Sometimes the softener comes out of the dolls when they have worn long sleeves, or when they have been somewhere in a long condition with a big temperature difference. So I don't know if this was the case for this cute #1 Ken here. I don't know, but that's at least how you can get rid of the sticky stuff here. Feels much better afterwards. What you can also use, and it's much faster than using a Q-tip with rubbing alk, is a sponge. That's one of my magic erasers here. It's a kind of a sponge that is prepared, and we get the dirt off here in a much faster way than we would with a Q-tip. So I have not had any problems with these erasers. They are not from Mr. Clean. I don't have any brand for it. I just bought them at Aldi, the discount store. You probably know. They are for sale every now and then. So until you can see, that's the dirt that came off the doll. So of course I don't know how he was stored. But some of the softener that came out is now in our sponge here. So that's the result I got after cleaning him. I hope you like the result. You see a difference. I only cleaned the left side of him, the right side is still dirty. I hope you also use rubbing alk for cleaning your dolls. Question of the day is, how many of these vintage cans do you have? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you like my little video, you share, like and subscribe. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!